Kitten loves it. Continue. He doesn't have a mama. He needs a mama to wash him. Kitten is open. Excuse you. Yeah, that's his head. Goofball. Mess. Dog thinks he's a cat. My mom's got a kitten that thinks it's a dog. Not this one. Different cat.